Science or pseudoscience? Penis enlargement capsules. First things first, what do these capsules usually contain? Most of them are a mix of just herbs, vitamins, and sometimes dubious miracle ingredients with zero proven effect on size. A few common ingredients include ginseng, ginkgo biloba, or L-arginine. These do have some health benefits, sure, but increasing size? There's zero scientific proof that they can do that. And here's what the science says. The size of the penis is determined by genetics, not by any over-the-counter pill, and there is no credible clinical evidence that shows any pill can increase the natural size of your anatomy. In fact, many of these products are unsafe due to the undisclosed and potentially harmful ingredients. When it comes to effective methods, treatments that actually work are based on medical science like penile extenders or surgery, which are used only in specific medical cases and under professional medical supervision. For most people, these aren't necessary and they carry risk. The psychological side, many of these products target insecurities. They sell with the promise of increased confidence and appeal, but confidence doesn't come in a capsule. If you're looking for self-assurance, working on your fitness, on your grooming, your skin, and your healthy lifestyle can make a world of a difference. So next time you see an ad claiming magical results in a few pills, ask yourself, is there any real science backing this or just marketing fluff? Don't fall for pseudoscience. Always fact check. And if you have genuine concerns, consult a healthcare professional. Send an email to me. Comment below. I'll reply to you when I see it. Remember, science always prevails over pseudoscience, and real health never comes from shortcuts.